Hello everyone, my name's Andy and today we're doing Love on the Brain by Rihanna. We're counting this on 3s instead of 8s. So the tempo that we're going is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, it's like a waltz. So we start on the left leg and we just go 1, 2, 3, and it's left, left, and the right hand, it just does a little bit of a ripple and our heads just goes with it. So we go 1, 2, 3, our left arm is preparing and it just goes here for the second. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you end up with a straight back and straight legs. So one more time, we're here and we just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you really need this difference here. From this point, you want this to be leaned, and then when you open, you want to go up so you can have the difference to go down. Right, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're here. You continue and you go with your left in the front, right in the back, and you do a little bit of pas de bourrée. So from here you go pas de bourrée. And then when on your third, you just push down. So from here, you want this to go smooth, 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 sharp. One more time. Your palms are open, and then on the third move, they close into fists. So you go smooth, smooth. So one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, let's continue. So from here, you pushed 3, you bring your arms around and down, and your legs steps to the right behind your right leg. So you go boom, boom. This is just one count. You open, when you're here, you just open, and then you close and you clap right above your head. So from here, you just go 1, 2, 3. One more time. Boom. 1, 2, 3. And then, once you just clapped, you just go left arm, right leg. You step in the front. You do a little bit of a pivot turn, and you close your legs together so you can open with your right and right arm, right leg to the corner. So one more time, this one, you just did clap, you go down, turn, and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, and you go boom, ah, ah. One more time. Let's take it from here. You did this one, and then you go 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, up. All right, let's do everything from the top and then we'll move on a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're here. Right. You've managed to come here, and then you just bring your left leg right behind your right, and you cross it, and your arms, they go, right palm looks to the back, left palm looks to the front. So from here, you just go boom. One more time. 1. You don't stay there, you just switch everything right away. You switch so you can be there. So you go 1, 2, and then 5th position up, 3. So you're here. One more time. You are in this position, and then you go 1, 2, 3. You scoop with your right arm. You go scoop, and then you go 1, 2, 3. So you take 2 counts with this one. From here, boom, you go up, 1, 2, 3, and you change your legs on the 3. So from here, you just change 3, and then you just go swing your arms and you go 1, 2, 3, and you just open your right leg on the 3 of the next set. So from here, you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it looks a little bit slow now, but in the music, you actually do have the time to go 1, 2, and then the 3 on the leg. One more time. So we're here. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You just extend everything on the 3. So once you extended everything, you just go back, swing back, and you go 1, 2, 3. And your arms, they just swing, and the legs, they just do a little bit of a pas de bourrée. So from here, you just go boom, boom, boom. One more time. You've done 1, 2, change, 1, 2, 3, swing, step. And then on the last move, your arms are here, you just go boom. Left front, right side. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's take this as an 8. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From here, you just do a little bit of a turn. You use everything on your right side to turn. So this means you take everything here, and as you take it, you just extend this left leg, and you go boom. One more time. You're here, and then you just go boom, and then you step. So this is your 1. From here, you just go da 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 da. Here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you land on the 3, so you have 2 counts for this extended leg. So this is a little bit too much information. Let's go from the top up to here, and then we'll move on once we have everything together. So 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, let's do this a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, so we just landed on the 3. We're here, and then we're gonna swing our arms one more time. So just as you land, you wanna go boom, and swing this right one, and the left one follows as it comes. So from here, once you do the swing, you just do a little bit of a scissors with your legs. So from here, you just go ha, and jump. One more time. You're here, you swing and go. One more time. You just did the boom and jump. So once you do the jump, from here, you did the jump, you step on this left leg, and once you step on it, then you use both arms and you step with the right to just pull everything together. So you go boom. One more time. So from here, boom, boom, swing and step, boom. Right? So once you're here, you just go boom, down, and So one more time, you did boom, 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 boom. So the legs, we said we only have 3 counts, but the legs do 4 moves into the 3 counts. So just the legs, it looks like this. Jump and step, and then you go boom, 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 and boom, 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 and right, left, and right, left, and right, left, left. So from here, let's do the arms. We jumped and step on the left, and you go up, down, and so up, down, and side on the last one, and then on the new one we want to go boom. So you contract your belly and you bring your arms in a little circle in front of you. I'd say like a little tribal thing. So from here you just go boom, 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 around, and then jump. And when you jump with this position, you want to stay in the position in the air. So it would look like this. From here, boom, 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 boom. So you want to stay in the air for a little bit, for half a second, not half a second, but you know what I mean. You stay for a little bit, and then once you land, you just go boom, ba, ba. You step again right, left, and then you use again this right to go boom, ba, ba, right, and you open everything. Same jump, you just open everything again. So you go da, da, ha, da, da. Okay, let's do this again so that it's not confusing. So let's take it from, shall we take it from here? Yeah. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right. So it's really all just about stepping the legs in the right counts, and the hands, they just kind of follow. So let's do that again. From here, we did boom, 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 ha, and then you jump. And once you jump, you go right, left, boom, right, left, and then right, left, right. So you landed, the last leg you land on is the right. So once you step on the right, then you're gonna go to the side with your left. So you go boom, boom, boom. One more time. So you landed on your right, boom, and then you go left, right, left. One more time, and shall we take it from, let's take it from the jump. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's really just a 1, 2, 3 again. From here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last move, and then we'll just recap everything. We're here on the 3, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you just take a couple extra turns there. From here, you just did 1, 2, 3. You do a little bit of a half turn with the 1, and then the 2 is again another half turn that has the accent on the 2. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, you go 1, 2, 3. So from here, ta, 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 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, you just go step on the left arm comes around, and you go above. And that's it. So from here, you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're done. That was the last move. You can just freestyle after that, and you can just keep going to your heart's content. So let's just do everything again, one more time, from the half, and then we'll do everything from the top. So let's go from here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Freestyle, 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 freestyle. Right. Let's do everything from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, da da da. Freestyle, freestyle, freestyle. Okay, let's do it one last time, a little bit faster, And that's gonna be the end of it. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and whoo! All right, this is it. Thank you very much for being a part of this class. I really enjoyed doing this. I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe. Please come back for the next one, and see ya. Bye.